welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise, and I received this as a nice gift for my birthday recently. And what this is, I believe it's a Kel-Tec box here, and it was painted up, but what I got is a Go kit here. Got the Anderson power pole for the charger. You got coax connector here. I'll show you what we're working with here. And what this is a QYT KT-7900D quad band radio. There's some resistors here. It's a LED strip, I guess. And this was built by KN4GEI. My friend Shafu did a wonderful job on this project. And sorry about the scanner in the background, but anyway, he added a different fan to this for an inlet, so it makes the cooling cycle complete for the duty cycle. Got a fuse here, switches here, got a chargeable port, got the meter, and all that kind of good stuff. And it's got a light here. It's got a fold out lamp. Got the radio here, and it's all self-contained. So very good job, and I'm very proud that I have such wonderful friends here to do such nice things here. So anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope everybody's in good health and all that kind of good stuff. So anyway, hope to hear from you guys soon in 73. So we'll see you on the air here in Florida, East Central Florida. And thank you again. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. 73.